Hey guys, it's Cynthian with your Fidget Spinner review for YouTube. Wow, well, see what we have here. The Fidget Spinner is in its package. The Fidget Spinner has a blue cardboard backing, and as you can see, there's plastic in the front to hold the Fidget Spinner in its package. First step, take the Fidget Spinner out of its package. Wow. This Fidget Spinner is pretty heavy. I'd say it's between 2 to 3 pounds, maybe more. It's good to have a heavy Fidget Spinner because it's less likely to fly out of your hand. A Fidget Spinner is made out of plastic. A Fidget Spinner has a round cylinder in the middle so it turns. A Fidget Spinner has 3 arms. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 circles in the 3 arms. 1, 2, 3. The way I can figure it is, there's 2 ways to spin a Fidget Spinner. And if you know of another way, let me know in the comments. The first way, you take your finger and you throw it against one of the arms like this. The second way, you take your finger and you put it in one of the holes and flick it such as this. Wow. Let's give it a spin. A Fidget Spinner can spin 30 seconds to a minute or more. I wasn't counting that time, but it was at least 30 seconds. Wow. A Fidget Spinner is between $5 and $20. Some Fidget Spinners are $1,000. This Fidget Spinner was about $9, with tax a little more, right? You can do tricks with your Fidget Spinner. You can keep it in one hand, or you can rotate hands. Or you can flip it. Or you can balance it on one finger. Fidget Spinners come in all different kinds of colors. Yellow, red, green, blue, orange, silver, black, white, off-white, and pink. I got pink, because I'm a lady. You can get a Fidget Spinner at a CVS, a Walgreens, a liquor store, an auto body repair shop, or a doctor's office. Really, anywhere on a counter. Wow. Well, Well, that's it for today. Remember to like, comment, and share. Thanks, and happy spinning.